Tom in Ennis, though, says, Kieran, migration has to be one of the major issues in the upcoming election. It is adding greatly to the housing and accommodation crisis. It needs to be controlled and streamlined properly. Otherwise, we, the native Irish, will be like how Eamon de Butler described the threat to the native red squirrels, strangers in their own land. Tom, I'm not necessarily disagreeing with the need for a controlled and streamlined immigration system, but this is a genuine question, not being facetious. 087 1400 106. Who are the native Irish? What boxes do you have to tick to be considered native Irish, I wonder? I'd like an answer to that question. I asked earlier a texter who got in touch talking about the native Irish in the context of the general election to get back in touch and tell me what they mean by native Irish. And we're after getting a response. So let's work out who might be left on the island of Ireland after this. Right, first of all, native Irish, one surname. Okay, an Irish surname. So the original text, just by way of illustration, referenced someone called Eamon de Butler. De Butler is a Norman name, so from northern France. So anybody with the name Butler de Butler, you're not a native Irish person. Walsh is the fourth most popular surname in Ireland. Brathnock, Welshman, you're not native Irish. And if you've got a Walsh anywhere in your family tree, or a de Butler anywhere in your family tree, going back, you're not Irish. Right, so we've eliminated all those people. You need an Irish surname. 2, at least 5 generations of your family buried on Irish soil. So what's 5? Great-great-great-grandparents? So you've got 32 great-great-great-grandparents. If one of your 32 great-great-great-grandparents moved to England and died there, you're not Irish. Now, it had nothing to do with you. One of your 32 great-great-great-grandparents moved to England and died. You're not Irish because they're not buried here. Okay, good. We've eliminated a great swathe of the population there. So, 3, must be a native Irish speaker. Right, according to the census, we've gotten rid of probably about 70% more of the people who are left. What's number 4? DNA showing that you've been on Ireland, your family, for 1,000 years. 1,000 years, since the year 1024. We didn't have the Norman invasion until 1169. So again, let's go by the surnames. If you have a surname Cody, Burke, Cantwell, Dillon, Darcy, Dalton, Fitz anything, Walsh, Roach, Power, a whole plethora of other names. And if they're anywhere in your family tree, according to this listener, you are not Irish. 5, not formally being a citizen of any other country. Again, I go back to the Irish people maybe over the last, 15, 20 years in the wake of the Celtic Tigers collapse, who moved to Australia and took up citizenship, or maybe people, children of Irish people born abroad who automatically have citizenship of that country. They're not Irish either, those people who've moved to this country. So I think what we've kind of established here, according to this listener, is that the population of this country would be about 3 people and a couple of chickens if you were to apply that logic. I tell you what, I just wish that people who talk about the native Irish would be honest and say what they really mean, which is white and an Irish accent.